What's up, YouTube? Back again with a late one. This right here is the box that I had done in the previous video. But after talking with the owner and everything, he wanted a box similar to the one that I had in my car. So being the one not to focus on problems but on solution, made it happen. He also brought the sub by, which is that pure audio. Got it resin on the inside. The only thing I don't like about it is how it pulled in the back. But other than that, it came out pretty good. Blue LEDs. It's just resin on the inside. Again, he's gonna paint it and do everything else. All I was supposed to do was just basically build a box. Installed his LEDs in for him and got it going. But that's how it turned out. I don't have all the screws in that plexi because, like I said, he's gonna paint it. So it'd be best to go ahead and just take that off and then do everything that you have to do and then put it back on. So yeah, I'll be able to do that. And this is only held on by a couple of screws. So like I said, he can do everything he needs to do and then fasten everything down and bam, it'll be done. But this is how she turned out. And that's it. Time for me to take me a shower and call it a night. Later, YouTube.